and welcome! Today I would like to show you how to crochet the bubble stitch. This fun and easy stitch is really suitable for a lot of different projects, like pillows and bags and blankets and a lot more. So let's just get started. We will start with making a slip stitch and a number of chains that is a multiple of 2. So I will just make 20 chains. I will yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. To start my first row, I will skip the first chain from the hook, and into the second chain I will make a single crochet. So I'm going to insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And I will make a single crochet in every chain across. And to start the next row, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And to start the second row, I'm going to make a bubble stitch into the first stitch. And to do that, I'm actually just going to crochet 5 double crochet together. So I'm going to yarn over once, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So that was 1, and again, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. So that was 2, and once more, 3, 4, and 5. I now have 6 loops on the hook, so I'm going to yarn over and pull through all the 6 loops on the hook. And into the next stitch, I'm going to make a single crochet. And now if we just turn the work around, we can see this beautiful bubble stitch on the other side. Again, I'm going to make a bubble stitch. So I'm going to crochet 5 double crochet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I will yarn over one last time and pull through all the 6 loops on the hook. And I will make a single crochet into the next stitch. And I will just repeat these last 2 stitches all the way across the row. And here into the very last stitch of the row, I'm going to make the last bubble stitch. And I will chain 1 and turn my work. And as you can see, these first 2 rows would like to swirl around a little bit, but don't worry, that will even out as we build on more rows. Row 3 is going to be really easy. We will just make one single crochet into every stitch across. And as you can see here, we have both the bubble stitches and the single crochet stitches that are a little bit smaller. So we will start with making a single crochet into the bubble stitch from the previous row. And into the single crochet from the previous row. And repeat all the way across. And we will make the last single crochet of the row here into the bubble stitch from the previous row. And we are going to chain 1 and turn to start the next row. And row 4 is just going to be a repeat of row 2. So I will start with making a bubble stitch into the first stitch. So I will crochet 5 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I will yarn over and pull through all the 6 loops on the hook. And put a single crochet into the next stitch. And I will just repeat all the way across the row, alternating between a bubble stitch and a single crochet stitch. And you can just repeat these last 2 rows until you have reached the desired length of your work. And that is how to crochet the bubble stitch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see a lot more of these kinds of videos. I hope to see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.